Alright, welcome back to the channel here. Doing service on the truck. Got a whole lot of service I'm working on this weekend. Got 7590 here. This is what I'm putting in the front. Yeah, there's countless other brands, but I like getting stuff I can get off the shelf. Just how it is. So 7590 in the front, and I'm doing 75-140 in the rear, because all this truck does is haul and tow. I don't use it. It might. All it does is haul and tow. It's not a grocery getter at this point. Transmission service. It was cheaper to buy it by the gallon. It was like $13.99 a quart, times like 10-12 quarts was like 160, but it was like 33 a gallon. So I got 3 gallons, which is basically 12 quarts, for like $101. So I technically saved like $60 by buying it by the gallon. Synthetic wise, this isn't your grandpa's gear oil. This isn't that conventional, super thick, runs like honey, molasses. This is like pouring oil. It's not the same as it was 20 years ago. Next task I'll be doing, along with the trans service, I will be doing a valve body modification. And I went to a vet company, Next Gen. Got a new reusable gasket. Got the filter. Got the other filter. And I got the upgraded steel thread in, because by default these come with the plastic. There's all sorts of information online about issues with the plastic. So I'm like, well, I'm already in there. I don't want to do it more. I like doing everything once if possible. So that's what we're working on this weekend. Doing this service here. Not really going to bring you along on too much of it. Already did the front diff. I put 3 quarts in. It got me to like just about a 1/4 inch from the fill. I said, that's fine. That's basically factory fill. Is about a 1/4 inch from the hole. Otherwise, you're going to need a little more than 3 quarts for the front if you want it to kind of drizzle out of the hole. Next I'll get into the back. Same thing. That factory does seem to have like a reusable gasket, so I just unscrewed it, cleaned it, put it back on, tighten it back up. If it leaks, I'll deal with it. So the rear is next, and then after that, we'll see what time it is, and potentially start working on the valve body. It's going to be a little bit of time. I don't know if I'm going to record the valve body work. Thoroughbred Diesel and a couple other manufacturer companies have some great videos up there on how to do that work. I actually watched one myself just because. So I'm like, well, if anything, I can just post a link to their video, because theirs is like 40 minutes long, goes into depth, talks about everything that I would already basically do. If there's anything I come across, I'll go ahead and I'll just make a quick video of it. But I'm going to get back to it.